Hey everyone, Matt Dunham back from Cognos Analytics with another exciting demo of a new feature that we've added to the Accelerator Catalog called a Tabbed Widget. So you can think of a Tabbed Widget as a dashboard within a dashboard, or simply a layout container that a dashboard author could add different visualizations or shapes or other content to that would allow consumers to kind of toggle between those various options. So I can think of a couple of different use cases for this. You might have just the line chart or the bar chart or whatever you're looking to visualize on one tab, and then on the second tab you might look at tabular data, for instance. You might want to just also embed a number of different visualizations. You can think of them as kind of like stacking them up that might be completely unrelated, that a consumer could then toggle between to see different views of the data. It might just save space to add other visualizations to the canvas. You can even embed this widget into itself to get kind of a dashboard within a dashboard within a dashboard type of view if you wanted to get down to that level of navigation within your dashboard. So I'm hoping you can be able to see the value of this. Let's take a look at a quick demo. All right, in this example, I'm not going to do a dashboard within a dashboard within a dashboard, but I'll give you an idea of the types of things you can do with this type of layout container. So once you've uploaded the extension into your environment, you're going to see this, this new navigation button that you can click on that's going to allow me to add this tabs object onto it. So this is what I mean when I say it looks like kind of a dashboard within a dashboard. So I can lay this out to fit the available space that, that I'm looking to house objects on, and then I can start populating it with content. So I want to make this actually a little bit bigger, maybe to give myself some authoring canvas here. Now I've got some visualizations that I've pinned. So I can bring these in, and then I'm just going to kind of resize them and fit the space that I want for this line chart as an example. So now I have a line chart. Let's add a new tab. Again, I can pick any of these existing layouts, but I'll just take the kind of the blank one, and I'll add another visualization to that. So this one, again, maybe I'll just resize it a little bit. And then finally, maybe I want to do that tabular view of data that I mentioned. So again, I'll add yet another tab, and I'll bring in my third data element here. This is just a table. So resize that again into the available canvas size. And then I'm going to select the tabbed widget itself and just kind of compress this down into the space that I want to work in. So now I've got my line chart that I can toggle between. I've got my, in this case, it's a stacked percent bar chart, and I've got the tabular view that I can see as well. Now, these tab styling has the same controls as the master tab styling of the dashboard. So I'm in my overview tab. I could add another entire master dashboard tab here, but just within the overview tab I can style this widget. So maybe I want to call this obviously something a little bit cleaner maybe than line chart, a little bit more relevant than line chart, and likewise bar chart, and finally tabular view. Now I can obviously style these, as I was saying, to match the dashboard overall theme. So I could go into the line chart tab. Maybe I want to have a selected fill color for this. Let's grab a custom color. Doesn't matter, I'm going to make it completely random. That does not look great, but gives you an idea of the types of things that you can do. And then maybe I'm going to add an icon that for my line chart. Maybe this is showing, I don't know, so some sort of a stopwatch view, and I can pick where I want the icon position to be, right or left of the title. And then maybe for the bar chart, again, same type of an idea. I could go into my bar chart, give this a selected fill color that's hopefully a little bit better than that peach that I picked. Let's grab green. All of these things are going to look really nicely together, I would imagine. Not so much, but you get the idea that I can style these however I want. And then now, as I'm looking at my dashboard, the consumer can come in and start kind of toggling between these different views directly on the canvas. So hoping this is going to be valuable to our dashboard authors. As always, please leave me any feedback that you have or any questions. And full compliments here to Minji, Scott, and team for getting this tabbed widget into our Accelerator catalog. Thanks, everyone.